To begin, go to the My COCC page and find the link for My Media. And this will take you to your archive of recordings. You're going to click the Add New button and then choose KalturaCapture. If it's the first time that you're doing this, you will be prompted to download the desktop recorder. Go ahead and save the file, and once it's finished downloading, you can run the executable file. You may get a warning or a prompt from your browser when you do this. It's completely safe. Just click OK and continue with the setup and follow the setup wizard. Just click through the prompts and let it run. And when you're finished, go ahead and refresh the screen. It will take you back to that media gallery, and now when you click the Add New button, you'll see an option for KalturaCapture, and it will launch and give you the option to open the KalturaCapture application. It will load up and run, and then you will see a widget appear on your desktop that will let you select the inputs that you want to record, whether that's a webcam, or if you're doing a screen recording, or if you're just doing audio, or any combination of the three. And if you have multiple monitors, you can select which one you want to record or select a specific recording area. And it will count down and it will launch your recording. You have several options while you are recording. You can highlight your cursor, you can make notes and annotations on the screen. There's also a whiteboard option, which is pretty handy. So you can doodle there if you're using a stylus. You could get quite specific. You can also type, which is quite nice. You can save your whiteboard recordings if you like as well. And when you are finished, go ahead and click the Stop Recording button, and it's going to ask you to confirm. And once you do that, it's going to give you the option to preview. You can view your recording there. You can give it a title and description if you want. You can also select other videos in your library and a couple of other settings for your recordings if you would like. The defaults are probably fine. And if you select upload, what it's going to do is render that file and upload it directly into your My Media area. This may take a minute depending on how long your video is, but it should be pretty quick. And when it's successfully uploaded, you'll see the video URL again that just points to your My Media area. And if you navigate back to that link in your Blackboard course, you will see that the video is there. And if you do this immediately afterwards, just note that it might not pop up right away. These do take a few minutes to render. Once you find your video, you do have the editing options that we had with the old Capture Space, meaning that you can come in and change the details and metadata of your video. That's like the name and who you're sharing it with. You can share it with other users in Blackboard. If you have their 820 number, I believe you can also search for them by name, which is great if you are collaborating or if it's a video that your whole department can make use of. You can create bookmarks and chapters for your video, which is handy if you are uploading or recording a longer video. You can also replace media, which is quite handy. Just overrides the original video file, which means that you can make updates to, I don't know, announcement videos or something like that and not have to go back and relink them. So that's really nice as well. You can also launch the video editor, which gives you a little bit more control over the video itself. So you can do things like trim the beginning and ends. You can add fades. You can also select to edit the individual video streams. That is if you had a webcam going along with your desktop or with your audio, you can parse each of those out and select the individual parts if you want. So there's some nice options for editing just to make things a little bit more polished if that's your bag. When you're done, you can just go ahead and save, either overwriting the original file or saving a copy. Either way, it's going to take a few minutes, but you don't have to sit and wait for it to save. You can just go ahead and close the editor and it will continue to save in the background. And like I was saying, the videos do come through as private. If you want to publish them to a course or share them, you'll need to go ahead and choose the Actions drop-down, select Publish, and then choose the area that you want to publish the video to. This will allow it to show up in that individual course's media gallery. You can also publish by going directly to the course, going to Tools, selecting Kaltura Media, and uploading directly into the course that way. So that's the basics of using the new and improved Kaltura Capture Space Media Recorder.